What do you see when you close your eyes? What worlds do you build? What adventures do you have? What triumphs do you taste? What if you had the power to shape your future, to turn your wildest dreams into a breathtaking reality? What if the only limit was your own imagination? Close your eyes for a moment. Picture your dream. What do you see? Feel the emotions it evokes, the excitement, the passion, the sense of purpose. That, my friends, is the power of belief. History remembers those who dared to dream. They weren't afraid to see the invisible, to imagine the impossible, to believe in a future brighter than the world dared to show them. Believing in your dreams isn't about naive optimism or ignoring the challenges ahead. It's about recognizing the beauty, the potential, positive impact your dream can have on yourself and the world around you. Eleanor Roosevelt, a woman who redefined what it meant to be a force for change, understood this truth. Dreams have power, but that power lies dormant unless we believe in their beauty, in their potential to blossom into something extraordinary. It takes courage to dream big, to step outside your comfort zone and chase after what sets your soul on fire. There will be doubts, setbacks, and moments when you question everything. But it's in those moments that belief becomes your anchor, your guiding light. So dream big. Let your imagination run wild. Embrace the whispers of your heart, the visions that ignite your soul. Don't be afraid to be bold. Challenge the status quo, to defy the limitations others may try to impose on you. Your dream is yours alone. Embrace it, nurture it, give it life with every fiber of your being. Every great invention, every masterpiece, every act of courage began with a dream. A belief in something better, something more. The power to shape the future lies not in predicting it, but in creating it. The future belongs to you, to the dreamers, the believers, the doers. Never let anyone dim your light, steal your vision, or convince you that it can't be done. So dare to dream. Dream big, dream without limits, and never ever stop believing.